Hey there, tech trailblazers and weather watchers. Welcome back to All About AI Tech, where we explore how AI is shaping our world. Today, we're diving into a game changer in disaster management, Google's AI model that predicts floods up to 7 days in advance. Imagine being able to save lives and billions of dollars by knowing when and where the waters will rise. Sounds like science fiction. Well, buckle up because this is happening now, and we're going to break it down for you. Let's talk about the big picture. Floods are the most common natural disaster, causing over 50 billion in damages every year. That's a lot of homes, businesses, and lives affected. But what if we could reduce that number drastically? With Google's AI stepping in, we're not just dreaming of a world where flood damage is minimized, we're actively creating it. Let's explore how this technology stands to revolutionize flood forecasting and the global impact it could have. So, how have we been dealing with flood forecasting until now? Traditional hydrological models rely on weather data and streamflow gauges to make predictions. But here's the catch: not every river has a gauge, and that's where things get tricky. Without gauges, it's like trying to solve a puzzle with missing pieces. Google's AI is here to fill in those gaps, and it's changing the game. Now, let's get technical for a minute. Machine learning models can be trained on all available river data and then applied to ungauged basins. This means that instead of being limited by the lack of physical infrastructure, we can now predict floods on a global scale. It's like having a crystal ball for flood-prone areas, and Google's AI is the sorcerer behind it. But technology is only as good as its application, right? Google knows this, which is why they've partnered with organizations like the Center for Humanitarian Data and the Red Cross. These partnerships mean that the AI predictions can be turned into actionable alerts, potentially saving countless lives. It's a match made in tech heaven, and it's changing the face of humanitarian aid. Let's bring it down to earth with some real-world examples. Imagine a small village in a flood-prone area. With Google's AI, authorities could receive a flood warning a week in advance. That's a week to prepare, to evacuate, to fortify. The potential for prevention is immense, and it's not just about property damage, it's about saving lives. As we look to the future, Google's AI flood prediction is just the tip of the iceberg. The potential for AI in disaster management and emergency response is vast. From predicting earthquakes to mitigating the effects of hurricanes, the future is bright. But there are also challenges ahead. Join me as we discuss the road to integrating AI into our emergency systems and the ethical considerations we must keep in mind. With great power comes great responsibility, and AI is no exception. As we use AI to predict floods and potentially save lives, we must also consider the ethical implications. Data privacy, the responsible use of AI, and ensuring that this technology is accessible to all are crucial. Let's delve into the ethical side of AI in disaster management and what it means for our future. Now, technology can only do so much. It's up to us, the public, to be aware and prepared. Education and community involvement are key to turning AI predictions into effective flood prevention. Let's talk about how we can empower communities with this new technology and what each of us can do to be ready when the waters rise. AI is not a one-time solution, it's a continuously learning and evolving technology. As Google's AI models continue to learn from more data, their predictions will become more accurate. The potential for improvement is exciting, and it's a testament to the power of machine learning. Let's explore how these models are evolving and what this means for the future of flood forecasting. The fight against natural disasters is a global one, and it requires global collaboration. By sharing data and working together, we can make AI a powerful tool for good. Google's partnership with international aid organizations is just the beginning. Let's discuss the importance of global cooperation in leveraging AI for disaster management and how we can all contribute to this cause. AI can give us the warning, but it's up to us to act on it. Disaster readiness and preparedness strategies are crucial for communities to withstand floods and other natural disasters. Let's talk about how communities can build resilience and what preparedness looks like in a world where AI is part of our defense against Mother Nature. Flooding doesn't just affect homes and businesses, it can devastate agriculture and lead to crop loss. But with AI help, farmers can receive advanced warning and take measures to protect their crops. Let's explore how AI can be a lifeline for agriculture and how it can help secure our food supply in the face of natural disasters. Urban planning takes on a new dimension with AI predictive capabilities. By knowing where and when floods are likely to occur, cities can invest in flood prevention infrastructure more strategically. Let's discuss how AI can transform urban planning and make our cities more resilient to the impacts of climate change. The insurance industry has a lot to gain from AI flood prediction capabilities. Accurate risk assessment can lead to better policies and more equitable premiums. Let's talk about how AI is shaking up the insurance world and what it means for both providers and consumers. When disaster strikes, every minute counts. AI Advanced Warning System can give emergency services a head start, potentially saving countless lives. Let's explore how AI can improve coordination and response times for emergency services, making them more effective in the face of flooding. As climate change intensifies, extreme weather events like floods are becoming more common. AI predictive capabilities are a crucial tool in our adaptation toolkit. Let's discuss how AI can help us prepare for and respond to the extreme weather events that climate change is bringing our way. Public policy plays a critical role in disaster management, and AI can be a powerful influencer. With better data and predictive models, policymakers can make more informed decisions. Let's delve into how AI can shape public policy and improve our disaster management strategies. AI role in environmental science is just beginning to unfold. As we look at technology trends, it's clear that AI will play an increasingly important role in how we monitor and respond to environmental challenges. Let's take a glimpse into the future and consider what AI might hold for the field of environmental science. While AI is making strides on a global scale, it's also about local action. Community engagement and local initiatives can leverage AI to make a real difference. Let's talk about how communities can empower themselves with AI and take charge of their flood preparedness and response. Google's AI flood prediction is just one example of the breakthroughs we're seeing in AI. These innovations have far-reaching societal impacts, and it's exciting to think about what's next. Let's celebrate these technological advancements and consider how they can improve our lives and the world we live in. As we wrap up today's discussion, it's clear that AI potential is limitless, especially when it comes to environmental challenges like flooding. But it's also a reminder that with great power comes great responsibility. Here at All About AI Tech, we'll continue to bring you the latest in AI advancements and their societal impacts. Stay tuned for more thought-provoking content And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for all the AI news you need.